Hello explorer. Welcome to my house. My name is Nebaman, and I am a sculptor from the ancient Egypt. My people used parts of our bodies as units of measurement. For example, a palm was the width of a hand. Anything with the size of a palm would be as large as a hand. A foot was the height of a foot. Anything with the size of a foot would be as tall as, well, a foot. Another important measurement was the cubit. A cubit has the same size as the distance between the elbow and the fingertips. I hope you have enjoyed the journey through the ancient Egyptian measurements. Now, I need your help. As you can see, I have a large collection of ceramic vases but need to organize them. Try to measure the vases and prove you can measure like an ancient Egyptian. Brilliant. You can actually measure like an ancient Egyptian. Now, I want you to organize the vases according to the coordinates. Coordinates are a set of numbers and letters that show a position in a map. If I tell you that the coordinates of the blue vase are J2, it means you can find the location of vase by first finding the J on the horizontal top row. Then, you just have to find the 2 on the left-hand vertical column. Now it's your turn. Follow the coordinates and put the vases in the right place. Well, it seems you know a lot about measuring vases. But could you weigh like an ancient Egyptian? For my people, the practice of weighing was born with the discovery of metalworking. Pieces of metal were put on a scale in order to find the weight of food and animals. These pieces of metal had different names and values. Besides units of weight, these metals could also be used as a mean of exchange, working like the money of the ancient Egypt. Now, I will give you a last challenge. Why don't you use the metals to weigh some of my favorite animals? I will let you use my scale. All you have to do is to find the balance between the animal and the pieces of metal.
Hello. I'm Pythagoras, a philosopher from ancient Greece. Some people call me the father of mathematics. Others call me the father of music.
What?
Wait a minute. So you think maths and music have nothing in common? Well, I will show you that mathematics is actually everywhere. First, we need a string. If you stretch it and play it, you will hear a sound. Now, divide it in half. You will hear the same sum, but a little bit higher. Again, divide it in half. And again. The sound gets higher and higher, proving that each note is related to a fraction. Okay, enough of talking. Let's make some music.
Hi, my name is Ada Lovelace. I was born in 1815 and people call me the world's first computer programmer. As you may know, there were no computers in 1815. So how could I become a computer programmer? I'll tell you now. My friend Charles Babbage created this machine to solve very complex calculations. The machine could do it by reading instructions on cards. I was so fascinated by this machine that I worked hard to write down instructions for it. That's how I created the first algorithm, a set of step-by-step directions that teaches a machine how to do something. Today, algorithms are the language of computers. Like in any language, you have to speak properly to be understood. For example, if you want to ask a computer to do something for you, you should give it clear instructions, piece by piece. The instruction should be given in the right order so the computer won't get confused. Besides loving machines, I also love the idea of flying. When I was a child, my dream was to construct something similar to a horse with wings that could take me anywhere I wanted. I never managed to make it work, but I will challenge you to help me. Using algorithms, you will have to teach a unicorn or a dragon how to fly. It's very simple, you just have to write an algorithm that tells to which platform number and in which direction the animal should fly to. Are you ready? Start flying.